What's up, guys? Just made it up here to Minocqua, Wisconsin. Right behind me is a restaurant called the Boathouse on Lake Minocqua. They gave me permission to come and clean out around their docks. There's not any boat traffic here right now. We saw a lot of stuff. Huh. Eggs. This slippery reserved for. I'm gonna throw it back up here the way. Hurry! Something down there big, and it's all falling apart. Bottles, a lure, a really old machine or something. Sure. All right. It's an umbrella. It's an old boat down there that's all torn apart. Yeah. It looks like the good stuff is still in there. Whoa, whoa. You're coming up and down, really gets you. Yeah, there's some good stuff in there.
Find a pair of Dolce & Gabbana sunglasses, they're mine.
Okay, I found these pink sunglasses.
Oh,
Pretty cool looking, eh? Don't know what that's for. Lots of Ray-Bans.
nice.
Did I find enough stuff yet? Someone lost their pliers and a beaded necklace. You wouldn't believe how much stuff is down here. Yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff over here. Huge. There's a lot of stuff. Good haul. Check out what we found. Found some really neat glass today. This one here says AA on it. Pretty old bottle. Got this bottle here full of something and it's really strong. I have no idea what's in there. Got a Coke bottle from Rhinelander, Wisconsin. A couple old cans here. Coors Light and a PBR. Some more bottles right here. Got some other random stuff over here. Golf ball, whatever this thing is. A couple expanded baits here. Sunglasses. Someone lost their nice Ray-Bans here. And I think these are a little nicer, these nice fancy pink glasses. And Zach likes them. Looking good, man.
Thank you.
Got a bunch more trash out of the water over here. Just a bunch of random stuff. Cone, got some cans, plastic, a bunch of other garbage in these bags, tire, this stuff, an umbrella, full of stuff in here also. Someone's pliers, necklace, just random stuff, and this folding chair. This is our first stop here in Minocqua, Wisconsin. We've got a lot more to come. We got a lot of good spots that people told us to go check out. So can't wait to show you what we find the rest of the week.